Good evening and welcome to RC-CRAY-Z. In today's episode, we got a mail call, so stay tuned for this episode of RC-CRAY-Z. Alright guys, so what we got here is the flying motorcycle from Tomzon, I believe it is. There is two different versions of this. You have a helicopter, then you got a glider guy. Alright guys, this was sent to me by True Drone Reviews, and I'm not going to be doing a review on this because he already did, but I'm just going to show you what came with it, and then we're going to go fly it. So what you get your controller, 3 AAA batteries it takes. Here's your controller. Here's your motorcycle. Here's your little man. And then it came with instruction book. Here's your user's manual, and then looks like a quick start or quick setup or quick start instructions maybe. Thank you very much, Brian. Alright guys, we are out here with the little motorcycle guy. And I put him on Brian, as you can see. He is on there. I don't know if he's going to stand there. Hopefully he does. Turn the controller on. Alright, turn the copter on. I'm going to calibrate it. Okay, how you calibrate it is the left stick goes straight down, the right stick goes down to the right. You hold it until flashing stops. Now it should be okay. Okay, there's the rates. I'm not sure where. Oh, that must be the trim. Here's the takeoff. Oh wow. Haha! This is really cool. This looks so cool. Oh my gosh. I love these kind of drones like this. I have a little sail or a parachute guy that's kind of similar to this from Air Hogs. I got that from Walmart, and it kind of reminds me a lot like this. It says it's for indoors, but it's, as you can see, it's really doing very well outside. At Brian's last video he did with this, he flew it outside and did really well. I don't think there's tricks with this, but there is a speed rate, which I'm not really too worried about the speed. I'm just kind of chilling out and watching it fly. It does have altitude hold. It just kind of hangs out by itself, does its thing. This is really cool. You see it, hon? That thing is awesome. It even looks cool when it's flying. Look how fast that goes. Meow. Yeah, that'd be awesome if they could do this in real life. This thing is handling really well.
Land it right here.
Yeah. This thing is really fun. I'm glad you sent this to me, Brian. Thanks. So we're gonna do a full flight out here. See how long this thing flies for. I'm surprised they haven't come out with a witch on a broom flying like this. Woo. Oh my gosh, this thing is so cool. I don't even see any signs of like slowing down at all. I wonder if it'll be one of the ones that just kind of drops. As soon as the battery dies, it just drops. You're good. Meow. I love it. Stay away from the ponds. Wow, this thing's got a great fly time on it. I'm having a blast. That'd be amazing to FPV race this. So far, Brian, the little man is staying on. I figured he would have died by now. Oh no, get back here. Oh no. Oh, it's not going up anymore. I think that's it, guys. Come back here. Coming for landing. Yep, that's it. That was a good run. He's still on there, Brian. The little man is still on there.